What's going on, YouTube? Hey, if this is your first time coming onto my channel and seeing me, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button on your way in. And make sure you give it a thumbs up if you get value out of the content of this video. I greatly appreciate it. That helps me get out to more people on YouTube. And today we're going to be on day 21 of our Clickbank series challenge. My name's Curtis, aka All right, so we're going to be logging in to Clickbank here in just a second, but we're going to go ahead and log into the second account of my lead gen secrets because I've already sent out the first email, which is right there, right here. I decided to go ahead and do this day 21 video right quick, and we're going to copy this to our second my lead gen secrets account. So what you want to do, if you ain't got a my lead gen secrets account, I suggest you get at least 2, preferably 5 if you can afford it. $60 the first month with a $30 setup fee and then a $30 monthly fee. So that's $1 per day after the first month for every email lead you get. Now remember, these are cold leads, so you got to warm them up to who you are, get them to know, like, and trust you before they decide to buy, if they buy. But these accounts, I've got 6 of them, hold up to 100 to 200 leads per day, every single day. So you want to email them every day. I've daisy chained these accounts under myself. I'll show you how to do that in a minute. Because you see the second one here has got 200 leads per day. I'm going to be mailing out 25,500 leads today with this particular email for our Clickbank product. And you see, that's just as simple as that. Nothing big about it, nothing hard. We're going to change the size of our profile pics here, and I'm going to show you a little trick to these profile pics as well here in a little bit. And of course, as you know, if you've been following me, I highlight the links to make sure people know where to click and not be confused. And if you haven't watched or been following me, there'll be links in the description below for my playlist on this series challenge, plus links to various other products that I promote. So let's go back to this one and copy the subject line. Copy the subject line. I'm going to run through these pretty quick because if you have been following me, you understand what I'm doing. Paste that in there. So we're ready to go on that one, I believe. Nope, I got to make sure I fix the link numbers to my accounts here. Just back that out from the 1 and make it a 2 because I'm on the second account. By clicking on that chain icon, yeah, it brings that up. So back it up, hit 2. There we go. Good to go. Now, I told you I'd show you a little trick with these profile pics. This pic, you see this little blue outline around it, if you can see it, actually goes to another link, which is my multiple income funnel. And I made this comment in the email that they could click the profile pic and go to it. Right there it is. It sets it up to go straight to this. And I will show you how to do that here in just a minute. Close that out. But when you pick a profile pic, you'll see this right here where it says link. You can put your link in, your affiliate link, or link to your website, which that's what this one is, and just put new window right there. Or however you want to set it up. But it's not going to be set up at first. So you got to set that right there and then put your link in there and just hit OK. And it'll automatically link that picture to it. And when I do this, generally, I will copy, make the text white on this and the box blue on these, since it's not actually a link, but it's pointing, it's getting their attention to go to this. And I'll generally always put my business email in. So this one should be ready to go now. Believe so. Yep. We're going to send that out. And what I say that was going to 25,500. We're going to send the email. Let's go ahead and add them up again today. 25,500 plus, I believe this one went to 27,700. Yes. 27,700. So, okay, so the first two accounts right there, 52,700 emails I just sent out. So we're going to go ahead and log out of the second one and go into the third one. Log out. Go into the third one. And in my last video, I couldn't remember what is it, your username. But just make sure you number it so you know which account you're at. I couldn't remember that to save my life in my last video. I'm not exactly sure why, but all right, we're going to go into the third account. Yeah, crap, I got to upgrade that one again. Let's go to the fourth one. Didn't realize that one was due. Let's see, there we go. All right, and just go to the mailing system there, select all, 12,900. I can't remember what I had in that third one, what the last one was. But you look at my last video, you see all of them. So 12,900 in this one is where it's going. I believe subject was the last that copied there. It was. And we got to go copy that, highlight that, excuse me. You can delete it and go back here. And this is why you want to always leave one of your accounts open so you can go back and copy it. Unless you put it in a notepad, but then all your links don't transfer over, so. Control V, there we go. Of course, hit perfect timing. That sends it out for when your email leads are predicted to open it. Like I said, the picture don't always come over as the same size that you set it to originally. But the link should have. Let's make sure of that. Yes. The link still works. That's good. And well, we can go ahead and check these links here too now. Make sure they're going to the right place. Good deal. So all that's working right. Just go ahead and do my little thing here with highlighting it right quick. Do the second one here. Not sure what that noise just was. Probably one of my cats got into something. If you heard it. All right, let's preview this again. There we go. All right, this one's good to go. So we can close out of it, send email. That is on the fourth account, I believe it was. So this one's out. And how many was that? Did I just send out 12,900? So we say what's 12,900? 65,600 so far. Log out of it. And log into the next one. This will be account number 5. The mailing system ain't gonna have near as many leads in it because it's one of the newer accounts. 3,400 leads. So we go. Email was the last thing I copied, so we'll go ahead and put it in. Got a little period there. There it goes. And hit perfect timing. Fix the size again. Still got that blue line around the picture, so I know the link's good there. Go ahead and get this fixed up again. And the second one fixed again. White text in a red box. Now this is just something I do. It's not anything you necessarily have to do. And I have been bolding them and texting. Well, that one didn't bold, did it? For some reason. There we go. And that's done. Go back to the first one. Hit copy that. Paste that in your subject there. That's good to go. Oh, yep, got to fix the link again. I forgot about that on the last one. So this one's 5. And this is if you want to track it. If you're tracking it through Clickbank, I'll show you that in just a minute. Back file. Hit OK. All right, this one's good to go. I got 2 more to send out. I got to update that one and then my 6th one to send out. But let's send this email out. And how many was that going to? 3,400. We're going to add that in. 3,400. 69,000. And we're going to log out of, let's see, we did send this one, right? Yeah, okay. Log out of this one. Go into the 6th account just to see how many leads we got in it. Which I don't think it's got very many in it either because it's still a new account. $2,400. So do that plus 2,400. 71,400. Now I believe I'm almost at 90,000 leads with the 3rd account being active. Right now it's not active because I gotta catch up the account on it, but you could say I think it was going to be about 88,000, 88, 89,000 leads that I'm sending out today. Now, I'd show you what Clickbank, if you're tracking it, what it's going to do. Just go to your reporting. If you don't have a Clickbank account, you can sign up for one. It's free. Plenty of videos on how to do it. Let's log it back into my account right quick. All right, so see here on the write-ups where we'd have a few sales and stuff. So we're gonna go by tracking ID. You see, I got all my MLGS accounts right there. So MLGS1 seems to be doing the best as far as because it's got the most leads. Highest hop count is 3,001. 500 hops per order form impression, 6 order form impressions, and we've got, but MLGS2, it looks like 2 and 3 is actually the ones that made the sales. Yeah. Yeah, MLGS3 made the upsell. And looks like 1, 2, 3 sales on ML. 1 small sale on 3 and 2 small sales on 2. So it don't matter, what size or how many emails you send out. It just depends on, the leads themselves. So far for a total of this particular Count 111 hops. Initial earnings per hops is 0.01. Earnings per click 0.02, which that's unbelievable right there. You can't do that with solo ads or anything of that nature. So you got 300 people that actually, check the system out. 17 that got almost all the way to buying. But we did get 2 that bought for a total of 26.24, and then one upsell for 75.41. Which gave gross sales of 101.65. So that's where we're standing right now. Just gonna keep following along. Like I said, if you hadn't subscribed, please do so. If you find value out of the content of this video, even though it's monotonous and continuously the same thing over and over and over, that's what affiliate marketing is all about. But I appreciate you watching. I'll see you in the next one.